How to disassemble swivel stand for falafel machine by Kanael 21. First thing, you pull the drawer, and by pushing a little bit with 2 fingers, you take it apart. You got 2 points here that actually hold the drawer in place. Then you take those 2 plates together and turn it upside down. Then you have to disassemble the spring by pressing the unit against you and pulling the ring toward you and releasing the hook from this screw that have like a groove inside for the spring to sit in. And then you lift this plate, you wash it, clean it, the same as the second one. You can wash it and clean it. Now to assemble it, you put this again upside down. Usually here the machine sits, but to assemble it you put this upside down with the 2 screws facing up. The small screw is going to sit in the center hole. The second screw is going to be in the turning groove. Again, to assemble the spring, you press this unit against you and you pulling on the ring to put the spring in the groove right here. This springs all the mechanism in one side and on the other side. Now by holding them both together, you turn it and reinstalling the drawer. By small push, you're getting it inside. That's it.